big story we are breaking at this and has got to do with the fact, the information that is now trickling in that this particular deadly act was perhaps to be carried out in other places of Delhi as well is what we are learning. The terror Dr. Rakib Connaught Place as well is the story that we have at this point in time, and this happened on Monday. Massive revelation with Delhi's arterial CP, the heart of Delhi, really Connaught Place, a very, very busy market area that was wrecked as well. From Connaught Place to East Delhi's Mayur Vihar is what we are learning. Several Delhi areas were wrecked before the attack. So the target was not one but several is getting slowly but conclusively established here. Several areas in Delhi were wrecked, and the car, the I-20 car parked in the Al Falah University, was there for 11 days at a stretch. Omar panicked post raids on Monday, didn't know what to do, and then took the car out. I'm going to go straight to Piyush, getting in more details on that story at this point in time. Piyush, the fact of the matter is that this was a sinister plot, and that the attack were to be carried out in different parts of Delhi. Connaught Place, Mayur Vihar, all of these busy areas were wrecked, isn't it? What more can you tell us?
Well, absolutely, Sneha. What we're also learning from our sources that this car, which was laced with explosives, was in Delhi for around 10 hours. He entered Omar with his car, which was laced with explosives. He entered in Delhi at around 8:15 a.m. And the CCTV cameras, are suggesting that first image of this car was seen at 7:30 a.m. Right in front of Asian Hospital in Faridabad. And after that, Omar entered in Delhi via Badrapur toll booth. And then 8:15, CCTV cameras are suggesting that he entered in Delhi. And after that, he did recce of various places. He entered he reached near Red Fort area via various other areas. From Mayur Vihar to Connaught Place, and what we're told is that he also touched upon the D&D route. So this is what the route is now suggesting, which he took from Badrapur to Okhla to TND to Mayur Vihar, and then to the Connaught Place area, and then finally he decided to park his car at around 3:20 p.m. in Red Fort car parking, and he was there in car parking for at least 3 hours. And remember that before reaching in Red Fort car parking, he did recce of areas like Mayur Vihar, which is a densely populated area, and then to Connaught Place, which is the heart of Delhi. And finally, he decided that he is going to be stationed there at Red Fort near the car parking area, and he was there for at least 3 hours. The CCTV footage and the time details are also suggesting, Sneha, that he left from the car parking at around 6:40 p.m. and then he took a U-turn from nearby area, and then after taking U-turn, he then reached there at the red light area, which is right in front of Red Fort, and there at 6:52 the blast took place. So the entire sequence is now suggesting that in the morning at around 8:15 he was there at Okhla, then from Okhla to Mayur Vihar, and then from Mayur Vihar to Connaught Place, and then finally stationed there at Red Fort area. And this is the route which we are now given to understand that the investigations are still underway as to what for 3 hours Dr. Omar did, and what he decided, and why he left from the car parking area at around 6:40 p.m.
Piyush, getting in those details, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Piyush, tracking that big story for us.